Hello everyone, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use our filter feature. Our filter feature is in the active listings page and it's very useful because it helps you, especially when your account is very big and you have thousands of listings, to manage your account better. So if I click here filter, I'll have many parameters through which I can filter my listings. So you can, first of all, if you have several users, you'll be able to choose which user to filter from, or maybe from all users. Just click here, select all users. Then you can choose to filter by quantity from, let's say I want all the listings that have only one unit, from 1 to 1. You can filter the sold items, only items that sold from a quantity of 1 to, I don't know, 10. I want to see, 10. I want to see all the listings that sold up to 10 times and see what's happening with them, when was the last time they sold, and so on. You can filter by sell price. Let's say I want to see all the very expensive items I have on my store. Of course, that any other field that you don't want, once you decide, you need to delete it, the content. Sell price. Let's say I want to see all the items that are above $100 on my store. You can filter by watchers, by views, how many views. You can filter by break even, all the items that have a specific break even or a range of break even. You can filter by the additional profit percentage, additional dollar profit percentage, additional dollar profit, the total profit of your items. You can filter by the upload date. You can filter by items that were not sold between a range of dates. Let's say, for example, I want to filter by items that did not sell starting April till today, for example. I check the dates and I filter. I can also filter by sold between. What are the items that did sell between a specific range of dates? I can filter by tag, and this is where tagging is very important. For example, if you've uploaded products according to a specific holiday, like Mother's Day, Christmas, Halloween, and so on, if you have tags of a specific method in which you've tried to upload and you want to check if it's working, you can later filter by that tag. If you have an employee, a VA, a virtual assistant that is working for you, you can filter by the tag that he will be using and you can see all of their uploads. You can filter by all the listings that do not have a tag. Just check this box. Then you can also filter by items that are in stock or out of stock, items to which you've allowed marketplace, meaning you have checked the box allow marketplace and allow them actually to still be monitored, to be in stock, even though they are not prime. So you generally work with prime products as a rule on the price monitor, but specific items that you did allow to be monitored, you will be able to filter by that. You will be able to filter items that you have disabled the auto ordering for. You will be able to filter by stock monitoring, items that you disable the stock monitoring for, and same with price monitoring, ones that you disabled or enabled. And you can of course filter by supplier, okay, just like here. After you choose the filter that you want, you just click filter and you'll see the results. That's it for the filtering. One more thing, I'm sorry. After you filter something, you can bulk change these results, and you'll see in the next tutorial how we bulk change items. Thank you. See you in the next tutorials.